Okay, we are looking at the Eurocenter flow test stand for testing flow on MouvexC pumps. And you're looking at a C24. And we have like a 30 horsepower motor hooked up to a gear reducer. This is a control. Right now it's set for 200 RPM once we turn it on. And then we have a calibrated flow meter, which will give us a reading right here. And then we have a valve over here which lets us open the valve to atmosphere and purge as needed. And then this is our media supply, our liquid media, which is water mixed with water softener. You can see that it's blue, that's from the water softener. And then we're going to look at the intake real close here. So you see the spaces between the rings, it's pretty much a clear, there's just air in there right now. Alright, so now we're going to start it up and we're going to watch this tube fill up as it self-primes itself. Go ahead, Steven, start it up. Alright, so we just started it and immediately, bam, it starts priming itself. The tube is completely filled with the liquid. The pump is running at 200 RPM. C24. Discharge line is completely filled with the blue fluid. And now we're going to come over here. It shows we're running at 200 RPM. We'll check our vacuum gauge over here. Shows we're right about 5 inches of mercury and vacuum on the intake line. And our flow is currently 51.68 gallons per minute, which is probably right on where it needs to be per Fox software. And Steven, you want to pull the line out so we could look at the flow real quick? Okay, well there it is. That's 51 gallons per minute pumping out. Okay, put it back. And now we're going to open the intake to atmosphere. Bam. And almost immediately the discharge line gets the intake line gets purged. You can see the spaces between the intake line are pretty much clear. The discharge line is being purged here. You can see there's just like a little bit of fluid left in there. Small amounts. Top portion of it is pretty much just filled with air. Got some amounts that are basic, some amount of fluid that's kind of shuffling back and forth, but it's still trying to pump out as much as it could. It's just sucking air. And the other interesting thing, of course, the flow has gone to 0, but now you look at the whole bunch of turbulence inside the tank because we're just pumping air in there. In fact, you can see bubbles bubbling up inside, all kinds of waves. And this part of the discharge line is also empty. It has been purged. My estimation, it's about 90% purge, if not more, maybe 95. There's just small amounts stuck in low-lying areas. Okay, Steven, go ahead and close the valve again one more time, and we'll watch it re-prime itself. Bam. There we go. Discharge line. Okay. And that's it.